Hi, welcome to the Messy and Petty Garden. This is Nikki. Gonna see if I got any potatoes in here today because these plants are already dying off. I got some small ones. Doesn't look like I got any really big potatoes in here. Oh shoot. Just Wow. I do not see no potatoes in here, guys. Just these small ones. And the crazy part about it is I did use potatoes from the store. I will not be doing that anymore. But before I've used potatoes from the store, I've gotten potatoes. But this time I didn't, which is fine. I'm gonna come farther over here and look. Nope, doesn't look like I got anything. Oh, wait. Oh, this is another one that has small. This is the biggest one I've seen so far. The rest are all small. And I'm just gonna leave them in here, the small ones. Ooh. Anything that's small. Oh, shoots. I think that was a bee. I just threw it out. Yeah, see, most of my potatoes are small, but these plants are dying back. See how they are? They're all dying back. I'm just gonna leave these small ones in here. If something happens, something happens. If not, that's fine. I'm gonna plant some more green beans here. Yeah, I'm gonna plant some more green beans here also. Yeah, those other ones I'm leaving because those are green still. I only moved these because these were dying back. And I'm gonna wait until this is done, and then I'm gonna plant green beans in here also, or a watermelon. I haven't decided. I know it's late to plant watermelon, but hey, I'm gonna try something new. Like I said, I experiment in my garden. I said this before. I like to try new things, see what grows, what doesn't grow. Is obviously the store-bought tomatoes no longer grow. So I will be ordering potatoes. Excuse me, I said tomatoes. Sorry guys, potatoes. I'll be ordering potatoes online from now on. But this was a good experiment to try again. And thank y'all for hanging out with me. Happy gardening.